Everyone thinks the best-selling wheel cleaner is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, P&S Brake Buster. First up, we have the P&S Professional Detail Products Brake Buster. Priced at $34.99, this cleaner caught my eye because of its non-acid formula, which is safe for all wheel types. If you want a powerful solution for brake dust, this is worth a serious look. The Brake Buster is designed to cut through tough brake dust and grime effortlessly. It's formulated to lift embedded dirt and iron buildup, making your wheels look brand new. A standout feature is its foaming action, which means it clings to the surface for better cleaning, especially in those hard-to-reach areas. With over 6,100 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many users trust its performance. Here's why this matters. That foaming action ensures you don't have to scrub as hard, saving you time and energy. Now some people complain that the price is a bit steep compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you want professional-grade results and you're serious about keeping your wheels in top shape, this is actually a worthy investment. It's not just a cleaner, it restores and protects your wheels. This is perfect for you if you're a car enthusiast or want your daily driver to shine. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option, but for its price, it delivers great value. Now, if Brake Buster's cost is a concern, the next product might fit your budget better. Product number 2, Chemical Guys Wheel Cleaner Spray. Next up is the Chemical Guys Wheel Cleaner Spray, priced at $10.99. This caught my attention because it's specifically safe for all gloss finishes and people rave about its effectiveness. If you want a reliable cleaner without breaking the bank, this one is worth considering. This cleaner is designed to break down heavy brake dust, road grime, and oxidation without damaging your wheels. Its fast-acting foaming action clings to surfaces, which gives it better dwell time. This means it works harder for you, breaking down dirt with minimal scrubbing. With a 4.5-star rating from over 7,700 reviews, you can count on its proven performance. Here's why this matters. With its versatility, it works on everything from rims to lug nuts, making it a great addition to your car care routine. Now some users mention that it might not work as well on extremely dirty wheels without some scrubbing. But honestly, for regular maintenance, this cleaner is fantastic. It's designed to make your job easier, not harder. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid results. Skip this if your wheels are heavily soiled and require a more intense cleaner. For the price, you can't go wrong with its performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a dual pack. Product number 3, Chemical Guys Diablo Wheel Cleaner. Coming in at $23.92, the Chemical Guys Diablo Wheel Cleaner is a 2-pack that caught my eye for its gentle yet effective formula. If you're looking for a cleaner that's safe on all finishes while still powerful, this is worth your attention. This cleaner features a pH-balanced formula that easily breaks down brake dust and road grime without harsh chemicals that could damage your wheels. The sprayable design is super simple to use. Just spray it on, let it dwell, and rinse. With its 4.5-star rating from over 7,100 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its gentleness and effectiveness. Here's why this matters. Its safe formula means you don't have to worry about damaging delicate finishes, making it a great option for custom wheels. Some users did mention that it may take a bit longer to work on tough grime, which can be a downside if you're in a hurry. But I think it's worth it for the peace of mind that it won't harm your wheels. This is perfect for you if you care for custom wheels or want a cleaner that's easy to use. Skip this if you need something that acts fast on heavy-duty grime. For 2 bottles, the value is excellent. Now, if you want something that delivers a bit more punch, the next cleaner might be just what you need. Product number 4, Griot's Garage Heavy Duty Wheel Cleaner. Next, we have Griot's Garage Heavy Duty Wheel Cleaner priced at $21.99. I noticed this product because of its outstanding performance in breaking down tough brake dust. If you want a heavy-duty cleaner that works hard, this might be the one for you. This cleaner is made to cling to wheels, effectively breaking down stubborn brake dust and grime. One unique feature is its color-changing technology. It turns purple as it interacts with the dirt, giving you visual confirmation that it's working. With a 4.5-star rating from 2,000 reviews, it's proven to be reliable. Here's why this matters. That visual cue lets you know exactly when to rinse, making it user-friendly, especially for those who want to ensure they're getting the best clean. However, some users reported that the scent can be a bit strong for their liking. That said, I think the performance far outweighs this minor issue, especially if you're serious about detailing. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performing cleaner that shows you it's working. Skip this if you're sensitive to strong scents, but for its price, it delivers fantastic results. Now, if you want a cleaner that's even more versatile, the next product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 5, Chemical Guys Diablo Gel Cleaner. Finally, we have the Chemical Guys Diablo Gel Cleaner priced at $18.99. This one piqued my interest because of its oxygen-infused foam formula that claims to break down dirt effectively. If you're looking for a concentrated cleaner that packs a punch, this is worth considering. The Diablo Gel formula is designed to cling to wheels, making it easy to break dust and grime without heavy scrubbing. This cleaner is pH balanced and safe for all finishes, which is essential for protecting your wheels. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 7,100 reviews, it shows that many users appreciate its effectiveness and ease of use. Here's why this matters. You can dilute it for regular washes or use it full strength for heavy cleaning, giving you flexibility based on your needs. One downside is that some users felt it required more rinsing than they expected. But I'll be real with you, that's a small price to pay for a cleaner that works so well and gives you the choice of how strong you want it. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility in your cleaning routine. Skip this if you prefer a product that requires less rinsing. For its performance and dual-use nature, it's a great value. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 fantastic wheel cleaners. The P&S Brake Buster for heavy-duty needs, the budget-friendly Chemical Guys Wheel Cleaner Spray, the gentle yet effective Diablo Wheel Cleaner, Griot's Garage for those who want to see their cleaner work, and the versatile Diablo Gel Cleaner. Each has its strengths, so think about what suits your needs best. Clean wheels lead to a happier ride.